today both of us are going to teach you dance tutorials on a very popular Sangeet song from the movie
Sonu Ke Titu Ki Sweetie. Got it right?
Yeah, nailed it. So without further ado, let's get started. Nice. This will be a mirror video, so your right will be my right and my left will be your left. So we are going to divide this choreography into two parts. So the very first part is the one where there are no lyrics, so it's just simply the music. And the second part, we'll do it later on. So let's start first with the music part. So the steps are like this. Your starting position will be you turning towards your right. So this is my starting position, me facing the right. And I have to come forward in two steps. So first I'll be sitting and then up and sit and up. Okay? So let's do it again. I'll show you the hand movements as well. So the first is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's do that from scratch.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1 and 2, 3 and 4. And after this position will be your last position. Now you have to turn towards your left and then make scooping actions. So like make way and then your hand goes up and then again and then your hand goes up. So left and right. Let's do it from the start.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And now for the next 8 beats, you have to just simply put your hands over like this, your left leg forward, and you have to make a thumka 8 times. So it goes like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yep.
Okay? And after that, you have to go back to this stance and then simply take your hand forward, interlock them, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Center right, center left. And similarly, your base will be also mirroring that action. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? So let's do the whole thing from the scratch.
Alright. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. So now we have completed the whole music part of the choreography. So now we're going to perform the music. Let's do this. Make your starting position towards your right. Let's go. Yeah, so the music is done and now we're going to hop on the lyrics. So the lyrics goes like, सुनो कल रात की कहानी, पीली रेड वाइन मैंने पुरानी.
Yep. And the steps go as right, left, and a turn by sitting down. Okay?
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So basically on the music it goes, सुनो कल रात की कहानी. Okay? Then the रात की कहानी में you have to make
Yep,
a
circle. And after that we'll go as 1, 2 towards the left, turn towards the right, 1, 2. Throw your hands up twice.
Yeah.
So with the lyrics
So
we
make
go
it like a
as
drinking action.
Yep.
पीली रेड वाइन मैंने पुरानी. So let's do it on the words. So 1, 2, 3 start. सुनो कल रात की कहानी, पीली रेड वाइन मैंने पुरानी. After that, लाख रोका था यारों ने, के ना कर तू मनमानी. So the लाख रोका वाला part is you have to turn towards your left in 4 steps and hands will be clicking. It is simply clicking and you have to take your right leg and then move towards your left. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. It goes like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You have to simply throw your hands as dagger hands. So लाखों का यारों में. Then केना कर तू मनमानी is simply doing body rolls. So by facing first right, body roll, कर तू मनमानी. Yeah, so it's like 1, 2 and then take your right leg forward, cross it and open your hands again. We'll be doing 2 body rolls. manma, ni, and then take a turn.
Yeah.
So let's just revise again from the lyrics part. 5, 6, 7, 8. सुनो कल रात की कहानी, पीली रेड वाइन मैंने पुरानी, लाखों का था यारों में के न कर तुम मनमानी. Okay. After this, the lyrics will again repeat.
Yep.
I mean the सुनो कल रात की कहानी.
Yep.
So for the second सुनो कल रात की कहानी,
The steps will go as 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, right. Okay? After that, we go as 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? From here, the position will go to our left with your hand swiping. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
so right, left, right, left. And either you can do these steps at the very position you're standing, or you can just simply do सुनो कल रात की कहानी, पीली रेड वाइन मैंने पुरानी. Okay, so you can just improvise the way you want.
Yep. So the steps go as 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right.
Then again, लाख रोका था यारों ने के ना कर तुम मनमानी.
So the steps will go as a bit of Mara. It will go as 1, 2, 3, 4. So left and then right. Your leg will go front, back, front, back. After that, this is the ending position. You will continue as 1, 2, 3, 4. You are saying no, right?
Yeah.
So
and being a desi.
yes. And cross your legs like this. So the steps will go as 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the lyrics with this are
लाख रोका था यारों ने के ना कर तुम मनमानी. And then after this, if you're a whole girl gang or a whole boy gang, you can just simply do the steps you're doing.
Yep.
However, if you're performing with a guy partner, as in a couple dance, so what you can do is, Anisha, you can be the guy and I'll be the girl. So the lyrics is, मिली मुझे एक अप्सरा, कहती मेरे को अप्सरा. Okay?
yeah.
So what I'm doing is, I'm just simply going towards my partner.
I'll go back.
Yeah, I'll show you in the front way. मिली मुझे एक अप्सरा. Okay? So I'm just coming towards the partner and by right leg, left, right, left, and my hand goes like, I'm just feeling myself.
Yep.
And since I'm going towards the partner will be doing
5, 6, 7, 8.
yeah. So it's like मिली मुझे एक अप्सरा, and then after that, again you have to come back to your position, and you'll be just pulling him towards yourself.
Yep.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So right, left, and simply walk back.
Yeah.
And the next line is मुझको ये तू बता क्या तेरा दिल धड़कता. Okay, so basically we just went forward towards my partner and then pulled them back towards me. And after that, next part is मुझको ये तू बता क्या है तेरा दिल धड़कता. Okay. So the steps are, I am turning towards my right first and then I am turning towards my left. So मुझको ये. Okay, so a small circle and a big circle, and my legs will be going मुझको ये, then left तू बता. Okay, मुझको ये तू बता. You're just tapping your leg
Yep.
with your hand. Okay, so let's do that. मुझको ये तू बता क्या तेरा दिल है लापता. So now you will be facing towards the left. So just take your left hand towards your chest, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And this hand can be just right at the shoulder level.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically we are done with the lyrics part,
Mhm.
and the next part will be the signature step. So that is the third section of the choreography.
Yeah.
So अभी हम लोग म्यूजिक पे दिखाते हैं.
हाँ.
So the third part is the signature step, Dil Chori Sada ho gaya.
So Anisha, okay, let's do this, guys. The hook step is going to be the same as the original video.
Yeah, we're just going to repeat it over and over.
Yeah. So the step goes as your right hand will go up and towards your chest level, towards your head and towards your chest. And your right leg will cross your left leg and then it will go back. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And put a hook to it, like jump, a bit of a jump.
Yeah.
Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the original hook step, it goes like throw your right leg towards your left side and pull it back. Similarly,
You're just doing this.
yeah,
Basically kicking someone as hard as you can.
yes. And your left hand is going to go at front and do the Punjabi Bhangra step and pull it back.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The lyrics is Dil chori sada ho gaya ki kariye. Okay, it repeats twice. So this whole step you're going to do it twice. So Dil chori sada ho gaya ki kariye. But the whole dance is going to take up a lot of energy.
Yep.
So be pumped throughout. Yeah, so the next part is again, if you have a partner,
Yeah.
you can just simply look at them while doing
Towards each
नैनो में
other.
किसी के खो गया. Okay? And the next part is नैनो में किसी के खो गया की करिए. So the step is like नैनो में किसी के खो गया. So you're just doing pop, pop and throw your hands up. So if you have a partner, you can just simply look at them and नैनो में किसी के खो गया. So face each other and then face the opposite directions.
Yeah.
नैनो में किसी के खो गया की करिए will always be
The same
yeah
till the last.
pulling your leg and hand towards yourself.
So the steps will go as 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And now the line changes. So the line is ओ मैडम तेरी चाल तेरे सिल्की बाल अब मैं इससे ज़्यादा क्या कहूँ. You're just going forward and you have to do like
1.
your hands will simply go will first diagonally towards your right and then towards your left and it is simply making a wave. Okay, and you're walking. So मैडम तेरी चाल. Okay, and सिल्की बाल में तेरे सिल्की बाल is like yeah, just shake your head. Okay, so let's do it.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll go with the lyrics now.
Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh madam, तेरी चाल, तेरे सिल्की बाल. Okay, this is the line, and the next line goes, मैं इससे ज़्यादा क्या कहूँ.
Yep. So you will pull your ending step is going to be like this
Yeah.
towards the stage. You'll pull your hands back, lock it,
Yeah, like
and
this.
yep, and move from left to a right. Doing 1, 2, 3, 4.
So just popping your chest.
Yep.
एक बार left की तरफ and then towards the right.
Yep.
Yeah. So I think from the madam तेरी चाल से we can just repeat. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh madam तेरी चाल, तेरी सिल्की बाल, अब मैं इससे ज़्यादा क्या कहूँ. Okay? Just making a U and doing 1, 2, 3, 4. So after this the line goes मैं नशे में टल्ली हो गया की करिए.
Alright. So the steps will be almost similar to the original video, and we'll go as pull your hands behind your head. By नशे में टल्ली हो गया. Pull your left leg towards the front and step 1 and back. 1 and back. Then it will be swaying. मैं नशे में टल्ली हो गया. And the next step
की
will
करिए will be again the
Yeah,
same.
yeah.
So again pulling towards yourself. की करिए. Okay?
With the lyrics it will be like
With the lyrics it will go 5, 6, 7, 8. मैं नशे में टल्ली हो गया की करिए. And then again दिल चोरी साडा हो गया, की करिए. So the last step is again the same. दिल चोरी साडा हो गया, but the की करिए we're not pulling
Towards the
ourselves.
yeah. We'll go towards the camera.
Yeah, we're going to face the audience.
So 5, 6, 7, 8.
दिल चोरी साडा हो गया, ओए की करिए.
Yep.
Okay, so we're just walking towards the audience and just tap.
Yep. And that will be your end step to the section.
And that is the end of this choreography. And let's just show it on the music, the whole part.
Yeah.
You're a honey singer. पीली रेड वाइन मैंने पुरानी लाख रोका था यारों ने के ना कर तू मनमानी सुनो कल रात की कहानी पीली रेड वाइन मैंने पुरानी लाख रोका था यारों ने के ना कर तू मनमानी मिली मुझे एक अप्सरा कहती मेरे कोल अप्सरा मुझको ये तू बता क्या तेरा दिल है लापता
दिल चोरी साडा हो गया वे की करिए दिल चोरी साडा हो गया वे की करिए नैनों में किसी के खो गया वे की करिए ओ मैडम तेरी चाल तेरे सिल्की बाल अब मैं इससे ज्यादा क्या कहूँ मैं नशे में टल्ली हो गया वे की करिए दिल चोरी साडा हो गया वे की करिए
Alright guys, thanks everyone for watching this tutorial.
And hope you guys like this tutorial, and let us know if you want us to cover any more tutorials on any Sangeet songs. We are planning to do a Sangeet series.
Yep.
Hope it works out. And until then, like, share and subscribe.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Anisha, for teaching.
My pleasure. It's a
It's a what? अच्छे से तारीफ कर रहे. It's a pleasure.
It's a pleasure, yeah.
Likewise.
Dancing with you.
Yeah,
As always.
as always. Okay guys, bye-bye.
My last word.
And this video is going to be mirrored. Okay, and extremely sorry, I just forgot. Yeah. So I'm here with a very, very amazing dancer and a very good friend of mine, Anisha.
Hey,
and
everyone.
she's going to help us with the tutorial today.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
But yeah.
Still recording, right? तो क्या था?
उसके बाद
आपकी घाय बिगड़ रहा है, आपकी घाय बिगड़ रहा है।
उसके बाद क्या उसके बाद
मुझको ये तू बता क्या है तेरा, ये तू बता क्या है
क्या दिल है क्या दिल है तेरा लहरा बता
लिरिक्स खराब बता. ये I'm a little
ये स्टार्ट
tired. Yeah. Honey repeats itself.
Yep.
So, but we are not